Hey, boys and girls. Oh, it got really dark. There we go. Now you can see me a little better. Can you see me now? All right. We are going to read Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3. And you know how much Miss Neal loves this book. But Miss Neal wanted to show you a few things today before we got started. And the reason is because the book so far has been going in a pattern. And that pattern has been by counting by ones. So, for example, if you can find my mouse, that means it started with 1 and then it went 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then it went to a 2-digit number, 10. Then it kept going, 11, 12, all the way to the number 19. Then it gets to 20, but it actually is going to break the rule. It's going to start counting a different way. Instead of adding only 1, just like our base 10 blocks over here, it's going to start adding 10. And when we look at our numbers chart, Ms. Neal's talked about this a lot this year, but we haven't really shown you. And what that means is instead of counting this way on our numbers chart to the side, we're going to count up and down. And so if I wanted to count by tens, I would say 10, 20, 30, 40. Oh, I hear you counting with me. Great job. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Ooh, fancy. All right. Now, another thing I wanted to show you is the base 10 blocks. So here I have 9, and I know this is 9 because I can count how many of these little tiny cubes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, that is the number 9. But if I wanted to make the number 19, all I need to do is add 1 10, which means just move one guy over here. And now I have not the number 9, but the number 19. Notice the blocks didn't change. The small blocks, the ones that are in my ones place right here, still stayed 9. See that? There's still 9 blocks there. The only thing that changed is Miss Neal put a 10 in the tens place. How many tens did Miss Neal just put in the tens place? Only 1. Now watch this. Miss Neal wants to add 10. So I have 19 right now, but I want to add 10. A 10. How many do I have now? I don't have 9 anymore. Now I have 2 groups of 10. So now I have the number 29. And notice the 2 is in the tens place because how many of those sticks do I have? 2 sticks. So today in this week, this is really going to help us, not just for our Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3, but also for our core math that we're really going to be breaking down and doing this week. So let's get ready for our Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3. And I hope that you remember to read with me. Ooh, Miss Neal's rhyming already. Here we go. Great readers. Oops. 1 told 2 and 2 told 3. I'll race you to the top of the apple tree. Climb, said 4 to 5 and 6. Thank you for reading the numerals. Bright little numbers that join the mix. Hurry, yelled 7 to number 8. Slowpoke fellow who's always late. Chicka, chicka, 1, 2, 3. Will there be a place for me? Here comes 9 to the apple tree. Next comes 10 and then 11. Wow, these apples taste like heaven. Chicka, chicka, 1, 2, 3. Will there be a place for me? Hot pink 12, lucky 13. Picking apples red and green. 14, 15, can't you see? They all want to climb the apple tree. Chicka, chicka, 1, 2, 3. Will there be a place for me? Great job, Miss Neal's class. 16's next to make the scene. Climbing branches with 17. Great job, Miss Dennison's class. I hear you now. 18, 19, one more's 20. Numbers, numbers, there are plenty. Chicka, chicka, 1, 2, 3. Will there be a place for me? Now, here's where it gets confusing. Remember, they're not going to count by ones anymore. Now they're going to count by tens. So after 20 comes 30. So remember 30, 40, 50, those numbers. Here we go. Curvy 30. See how it's curvy? 30. Flat foot 40. Climbing up to join the party. 50's fine and 60's dandy. 70's hair is long and sandy. Chicka, chicka, 1, 2, 3. Will there be a place for me? And guys, that's it for today. This is what we'll be doing all week. We'll get this far. We'll see how far we get next week. You should have done your core. You should have your 2 minutes now finished. If you're watching this video, you are finished now with Chicka Chicka. So the only thing you have left before square, the four square, before your fun time is your four square. Then you may do your math seeds and fun. See you later, alligators.